Hello everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video. And in today's video, we're going to go over Digital Wealth Pro's back office. And what I want to talk about is the way the system works and some of the things that you're going to have when you actually start using the system. So one of the things that I love is that there is actually a membership site. And that's pretty cool because you're able to get everything that you need right here in your back office when you get started. So the way that it works in the process when it comes to Digital Wealth Pros is that when you speak to a call center agent and you give them the ID number for the person that you want to join under, they are going to send you an email. That email is going to give you everything that you need to log into your back office and to also make your payment. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is you're going to pay your admin fee, you're going to pay your sponsor, and then once the sponsor updates your information, so right under here, I'm not going to hit this because it has people's private information, but it's going to say, basically, did this person pay? And all you have to do is select yes once you receive your payment. So you can receive your payment via Zelle, you can use Cash App, Venmo, you can use PayPal, you can use Stripe. Basically, any third-party payment processor that you choose to use, you can use for your system. Now, right here, I'm on the dashboard, and under this dashboard, we have the different capture pages that they actually give you. And if you want to see what these capture pages look like, all you have to do is hit view page, and it's going to bring up the information for that particular capture page. So you can take a look at all of the capture pages that they offer to you. And not only that, the link for those capture pages is going to be right here on this side. So basically, whatever capture page you decide to use, you would just copy, and then you can link this raw link to your domain name, okay? You can get a domain through GoDaddy for like $18 for the year. So here's the other capture page that they have, automatic cash profit daily. As well. And again, these are really high converting capture pages that people are using for their system. Now, once you have that, they also give you a sales site. You can use their the information that they give you, the sales page that they give you, or you can actually get a customized sales page from me directly. If I am your sponsor, I can have this made for you and you'll be up and running within a day. Okay, so here is the video. This is a sales page, and then you hit show me more, and then it's going to give you more information about the opportunity. So the call center closes your sales, state-of-the-art sales funnel system, industry-leading sales funnel analytics. You have the third-party CRM integration, payments directly to you using your favorite method, pre-tested advertising campaigns. So they have the advertising campaigns for your traffic. You don't have to worry about that as well. And then you have the Digital Wealth Pros Digital Library. So here, when you get started, you can click on your products, and in the your products area is going to be the different products based off of the level that you come in at. So the bronze level, which is a one-time payment of $200, you're going to get all of these products back here. Plus, I have additional products for those who join my team as well. The gold level, here are the products you get at the gold level. And then the platinum level, which is the highest level, $800 one-time payment. You get everything that you see here, plus everything that's above it, okay? So this is your Dwp Library, where you can have as much training as you want. And what I tell people all the time is to take it a little bit at a time, go through it, see what resonates with you or what you want to learn, and then basically take it from there. So going really quick into the, we're going to go to my sales page. This sales page, which you can get in the description below, basically has the information that you've seen, but a little bit more broken down as far as what you will receive when you get started. So again, they close the sales for you. It's a proven system, the digital library, tested ad campaigns, you have your direct payments and much more. And then here we just have these these little flip boxes that gives you the information of what you get for each level plus the bonuses. The information is here for your bonuses. And then this is what makes it a little bit more unique for you if you decide to go with our sales page, because again, it has information about you, your name, your picture, and then now you can also offer these bonuses to your team. So a person can get started here. It gives you the information for the admin fee, along with how much you would pay for each level. Now, one thing I want to make very clear is that these are all one-time payments, also including the admin fee is a one-time payment. If you decide for some reason you do not want to come in at the top level, you cannot pay the difference to upgrade. When you decide to upgrade, you will have to pay the full amount and you will have to pay the admin fee again. So I want to make that very clear that it's not paying the difference to upgrade. You have to pay the full amount to upgrade. So step one, you choose how much you want to get paid by choosing the level you want to come in at. Step two, you pay the one-time admin fee. You call the number with the ID and they will send you an email. If you do not see the email, check your spam folder or your promotions folder. It will be there. I would just make sure that they have the spelling of your email correctly. Once you have that information, you can go to your email and just check everywhere to see where that email is at, because that email is going to have your login details for you to pay so that you can get access to your membership site and also get your ID number. Once you do that, you're going to set up your back office. This literally is going to take about 1 hour or less. And then you're going to start driving traffic and then get paid. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to work together and I'm going to show you guys how to start generating a full-time income using the system. This is going to be extremely lucrative over the next 6 to 8 months, maybe even longer than that. You will have everything that you need in order to be successful. You just have to be willing to be consistent and put in some time to get your back office set up. And again, everything is here where all you have to do is hit get started. And they take you literally through every step to plug in your payment options and do all of the things that you need to do so that you can start earning. So this system, again, is going to be up and running for a while. It is extremely lucrative, but not only that, people are interested in getting started with this. So it won't be hard to make money. You just have to be willing to put in some work so that you can start earning. I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. And again, if you are interested, the information will be in the description below. Also, if you need to reach out to me for any additional questions that you need answered, you can also reach out to me and that information will be in the description below as well. Thank you so much for viewing this video and have a great day.